Bro, you're bad, yo. Bad. Like, bad. Like, yo, you're bad as a mug. Let me see your head, yo.
No, I'm in the middle of a video. Let me finish, please.
You look good, yo. Alright, tell me when you're done, please. Please.
Okay. Well, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Ducky back with another video, and today, as you can see from the title and from this look right here, I'm going to be doing a headband tutorial / review. So if you would like to see how I achieve this and where to get yours, stay tuned because we're about to get right into it. Yeah. So I'm really super excited about this headband wig. The first time I heard about this headband wig, I was on YouTube one night and I was watching this girl that I had her page I had recently come across, and I think her name is Kyra or Kiara, don't know how to pronounce it, but I could just link it below. And she had posted a vlog, and in that vlog she had mentioned headband wig. So I clicked to the time where she was talking about the headband wig, and I was like, that's crafty, you know what I mean? Like that's for me, because she don't do wig installs and she don't do lace frontal installs. I mean, not that I would never try it, but I just have never crossed that side of the hair spectrum yet, you know what I mean? I've never gone to that great beyond. So I was like, oh, that's cute, you know what I mean? Super easy, super simple, but at the same time cute, okay? And that was around like August, September maybe. It was earlier, well, late, it was last year basically. And I was like, oh my goodness, my eyes look so red, y'all. Oh my goodness, I look sick. I look busted. I'm sorry, y'all, but it ain't gonna stop me from doing this video. Like I was saying, I just really wanted the wig, and I just was waiting to get it, because I don't know why I was just waiting. And then I ended up putting it on my Christmas list this year for Christmas, and my uncle ended up getting it for me. So I did send him the AliExpress link. I do believe that's the link I sent to him. Let me just double check. Okay, so the link that I did send to my uncle was the AliExpress link, and the hair was by Julia's Hair, or Julia Hair on AliExpress. I'll just link it down at the bottom so you guys can look at the link. Obviously he took it out of its packaging so that he could wrap it properly for my Christmas present, and so this is what it looked like when he gave it to me for Christmas. It's in this sort of plastic bag with these letters that nobody can read, and I opened it for Christmas, but I didn't put it on or anything. I also got some really cute headbands from Forever 21 or H&M, one of them two, but I'm gonna test those headbands out with this headband wig. Now I'm gonna open it, take it out. So it comes with a wig cap. There's two in here. It comes with a headband. This is not really my like style headband. Like the pattern is not really me, but I mean, it's okay, you know. It's not ugly, but it's not really me. This is the wig. So it comes in this net, and this is a 26-inch wig, and I think the hair is Malaysian curly hair. So this is what it looks like fresh out the bag. It has this tissue in there. I'm gonna take the netting off. Ooh, sis is cute. Sis is long. So here is the actual headband portion, and here's the part that goes in the back, and it does have clips on the inside. So this is the front clip, and then there's two side clips right here, and I do believe there's a clip down here. Yep, there's a clip back here. I'm not a wig person, y'all. I've never worn a wig. The closest thing I had to a wig was a closure, and I got that in school. So I don't really know what I'm about to look like with this, but I hope it's cute. You know what I mean? I hope she's cute. I hope she gives everything that needs to be gave. I'm sorry I keep putting my glasses on, taking them off. They're just really bothering me today. I'm going to start to put it on. I'm gently just brushing my fingers through it. I don't really want to disturb the curl pattern too much. So as you can see, my hair is already slick back because I got this hat on. When I take this hat off, y'all, you're gonna see what it looks like under here, and it looks a mess. It's gonna look like a bird's nest, but you know, oh, don't look that bad. It don't look that bad. I literally had a wash day the day before yesterday. I haven't put anything in my hair but a leave-in, so I'm just gonna braid the back of this because this is matte. You're gonna see how thick this is back here. That joint's thick, so I'm gonna have to braid it so it could just be out the way, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna bobby pin it up. I'm just gonna put some leave-in in it so I can, just so that I can manage it a little bit better, and put some leave-in back here and just work it through. And I'm just gonna simply put a braid in it. I'm super excited. Like, I've been wanting this for the longest, okay? So, and I got it for Christmas. I'm just gonna put my ponytail back here in a plait. I should probably brush this out so it could be flatter, but I'm not. I seen a whole lot of headband wig videos. Like, once I seen that one, it was like everybody started popping up with them, and I didn't see anybody, like, she was the first person I ever saw with it. So to me it was like she kind of like put us on, and I don't know who put her on, but I don't know, man, but it just kind of felt like she put us on. Well, she put me on, and then I just started seeing them pop up, and they was going crazy. Okay, so I got my plait, and I simply just pinned it back here. As you can see, it's a little poked out, but I think it'll be fine. Now I'm just gonna take some wet line and extreme, do my edges, and kind of just brush this back a little bit. It's not like it really matters how it's gonna look because majority of this will be covered, but I am gonna do my edges, make sure them things is cute. I've seen people get so creative with their edges with this headband wig, and y'all, honestly, it's 11:19 at night, and I'm not about to go crazy with my edges just for them to be brushed back the way they were to go to sleep. I just was really excited to film this video, so that's why I'm doing it now. Okay, so I did my edges. Here they are, just real simple, real, you know what I'm saying, nothing too crazy. These are the two headbands that I got from Forever 21. There was a Dollar Child, get you some. These are more like my style, kind of simple, but just a little bit of texture to them. And this is kind of like a mustard yellow. Can't really, it's not really giving you the right color. And then I have some other headbands that are 360 as well. They're not like just the half come right here, they go all the way around. But I'm gonna try first with the black one. I don't know if I should put this wig cap on. I mean, they gave it to me, but like, should I put it on? I've seen a lot of people not put it on. I'm not putting it on. Y'all, if I like the way this turns out, y'all, I'm gonna wear this all the time. Like, it's protective style season. I'm not going to have my hair out. It's only gonna be out to wash. I'm going to put it on. She's moving around too much. Let me just put this in a ponytail real quick. I think I'm gonna have to flatten this out some. Okay. I have a pretty small head. Oh, I guess that's what these combs are for. Ouch. Let me make sure this is right. Let me make sure this is right before I get hype. Hold on. Okay, let me take this out. This is a little bit cute. So this is mad comfortable. Let me start off by saying that it's mad comfortable. This is how it looks up close. Now maybe I should push it back some. So my braid is like right here. I'm gonna turn around. Let me put this black one on. This is cute. Okay, so this is the look. Honestly, this is mad cute. Whoever came up with this idea, you deserve a coin, okay? Because this, y'all are not gonna see my hair. Do y'all hear me? I mean, you might see it. Now, one thing I will say is my hair is too thick for just this this big braid back here. So I'm gonna have to find a way to make it flatter. Because if you can see, it does kind of make it bulge out a little bit. I don't know if y'all could see it, but it do. And this is 26 inches, y'all, and it comes here. This is the top of my butt right here. Passes that when you stretch it out. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it takes to some mousse. This is Cream of Nature Style and Shine foaming mousse with argan oil. I think I need to stand up. I think I need to change the view so y'all can see actually. Okay, so this is pretty much the look of it. I did put some mousse on it. You know what I mean? I think it defined the curls more. I think the wig cap is really just for hair protection. This is and it's just too easy to do and not have to do your own hair. Huh? Excuse me, huh? And this is really secure. Like, you would think that something like this isn't secure. Nah, this joint on here. All right, I'm gonna try the yellow one now. I'm not the wig person, so the fact that this is easy and it looks cute on me. Where we going? What we doing? House clean, beard on full, party all night. Where we going? What we doing? All right, let's test the ponytails thing now. I've seen a lot of people do ponytails with this look, so let's test and see if we can get a nice ponytail with this. Okay. And I'm gonna just pick. Now I do feel my braid, so this is definitely a reminder to flatten my hair because I do feel it. It's literally right here. I just grabbed a random one. I know it don't match. Relax. I'm just gonna put it in. I think the ponytail cute, you know? This is the braid right here, y'all. Yeah, I think in order to wear a ponytail, I would have to fix the under part. Why are you calling?
Good grief. Oh my god. Let me see your head, bro.
I'm in the middle of a video.
Okay, let me see your head, bro.
No.
Bro, you're bad, yo. Bad. Like, bad. Like, yo, you're bad as a mug. Let me see your head, yo.
No, I'm in the middle of a video. Let me finish, please.
You look good, yo. Alright, tell me when you're done, please. Please.
Okay, so clearly my boyfriend likes it. I literally took a picture like this and sent it to him. I look busted. Let me show you the picture. I look busted in this picture. I'll post the picture that I sent to him. He acting crazy, bruh. Do I like it? Yes. 100% absolutely. I'm gonna change the view. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can really see what's going on right here. Okay, so I'm standing up now. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. Now I told y'all I do have to make a better under situation because it is this braid. It's not giving, but all in all, I like it. It's super lightweight but super secure. Like that is pretty much it, you guys. I really like this headband wig. If you haven't copped you one, get you one, especially if you're into super convenient hairstyles like moi and do-it-yourself situations like moi. Get you one. It's worth it. I'm trying to tell you, it's worth it. It took 5 minutes, maybe 10 if my ponytail wasn't already done. So I definitely recommend that you get you one. You know what I mean? I'll put the link where my uncle got this for me for Christmas. I'll put everything in the description box so that you guys can get into it, even though I'm sure you've already gotten into it. You know what I mean? But that's it for me, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. And yeah, bye.